As you can see guys, we are on to another topic, and this topic is going to be on building a brand for your Amazon products. As I've shown you earlier how you can create a brand for your products through registering on Amazon brand registry, and I will again take an example of Amazon basics. So you can literally build a brand related to your products category or through specific niche or broad niche guys. And as you can see, this way you have to build your brand. You can sell, if you want to sell in a specific niche, then you can, for example, if you are selling in a household niche, so if you want to sell in a household niche, then let me show you an example. So this way you can create a brand for your products. As you can see, you can list your products this way, or if you want to sell in a broad niche, then you can literally categories like this. So this is an example, and you can check Amazon basics and their storefront and get idea on how you can set a brand for your own products and build a brand like this one, this Amazon basics guys.